Cauliflower chickpea coconut curry recipe. Yield: 6 cups curry, 3 cups rice, 6 servings. Prep time: 15 minutes. Cook time: 1 hour. Total time: 1 hour 15 minutes. Ingredients: the curry. Half a tablespoon 8 milliliters vegetable oil. 1 medium onion, chopped. 3 cloves garlic, minces. 1 green chili pepper, minced, optional. 1.5 tablespoons 20 grams grated ginger, approximately 2 piece. 3 tomatoes, chopped. 1 tablespoon 15 grams curry powder. Half a tablespoon 8 grams garam masala. Half a tablespoon 8 grams ground turmeric. 1 teaspoon 5 grams ground cumin. 1 teaspoon 5 grams ground coriander. 1 teaspoon 5 grams cinnamon. 1 teaspoon 5 grams salt. 1 medium potato, chopped into 1 centimeter squares. 2 cups 500 milliliters water. 1 head cauliflower, chopped into 1 centimeter pieces. 1 can 400 milliliters coconut milk. 1.5 cups 250 grams cooked chickpeas, 0.5 cup 100 grams if cooked from dry, or approximately 1 can. Ingredients: the rice. 1 cup 200 grams basmati rice. 3 cups 750 milliliters water. 5 cardamom pods, split in half, optional. 1/8 of a teaspoon saffron, optional. Directions: the curry. 1. Sauté onions in oil on medium-high heat, adding 2 tablespoons water every 2 minutes to deglaze the pan while stirring until lightly brown. 2. Add the garlic, chili pepper and ginger to the pot. Cook for 2 minutes. 3. Add the tomatoes and all the spices, stirring to combine and cook for 5 minutes or until the mixture turns into a textured paste. 4. Add the potato and 2 cups water to the pot. Partially cover and bring to boil, then reduce to medium heat and allow the contents to simmer for 15 minutes. 5. Add the cauliflower to the pot, partially cover and allow the contents to continue simmering for another 15 minutes. 6. Add the chickpeas and coconut milk to the pot. Uncover and allow the entire dish to simmer on the stove for 20 to 30 minutes, allowing the water to evaporate and for the curry to become thicker in consistency. Directions: the rice. 1. Add the rice, water, and cardamom to a pot on medium-high heat. Cover, bring to a boil, then reduce to a simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. 2. The rice is ready when it's al dente and all the water has been absorbed. 3. Serve the rice separately with some cardamom pods or saffron sprinkled on top for garnish. Otherwise serve 1 cup curry beside or on top of 1/2 cup of rice. Enjoy! Did you try this recipe? Let me know how it went. Comment below and share a video your friends. For most informative videos, please subscribe and like our channel.